Okay, welcome back to the vlog. Yes, vlog. Coming in right now, and it's raining too, so it's more difficult for the people. There's the champion. There's the champion. Okay, so welcome back to the vlog, and we got another part 2. We're gonna be having 9 parts. So first practice run, I'm running. Go, 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 go. Okay, I'm going into first corner. I think that's
What is
first
he
corner.
doing?
I can't. Where's my helmet? Where's my helmet? Oh, there it is. Okay, so
He's beginning to believe.
I can see. There I am. Excuse me. Trying to take over here. Excuse me. Are you blocking me right now? Actually, to be exact, I should maybe take over you. Should I or should I not? Anywho, I'll figure it out. Maybe not. I'll take a look. All right, switching gears. Come on. All right, and out of my way. I'm going fast. Anyway, so come on. And yellow flag. Again, another person spun out. There I am, competing with the best of the best to achieve your greatness. Anyway, so yes, there I am. Oh, look at that. Okay, we're getting there. Another yellow flag. There was so much yellow flags in this race. Anyway, but come on. Anyway, and another gear. We're going through. Oh, and I'm through, and another gear. Okay, and I take over too. What? How is that even? And it finishes first session. How does first session finish that quickly? Actually, I'm so confused. And yellow flag twice. Yellow flag again. Anywho, there I am. I can take over yellow flag again. Come on. And look at that. And I spun, it looks like? Yeah, I spun my cart. After that.
How?
That's a very good handling. So, after that, look at that. Pitch looking lovely today. So, alright, and here they go. Okay. You guys are gonna see. And that's the end of first practice.
Boring.
A few moments later.
And let's start second. Just a few moments later, don't worry. Second practice run. I'm speeding. Speeding. Okay, come on. And excuse me, out of my way. Come on. Go. And out of my way. Thank you. Thank you for giving me space. Rookie mistake. Anywho, yep, there I am, looking so bright and mighty fine. So this was a very complicated day because it was another yellow flag. And then, okay, we're changing gears again, and then it starts raining again. So it was really bad. Oh, look at that! Oh, I just a little bit spicy. I tried drifting the car. It could have been an easy, nice drift, but it wasn't. But yeah. Anywho, I'm still going. Come on, we gotta be Lightning McQueen. Yay-haw! Okay, so and I spun again. Okay, that's. So, I spun again, no help needed, but I still... And we're changing another gear, come on. Another gear, okay? It's not a shifter cart, just if you guys are wondering. It's not a shifter cart. It's an automatic. But, anywho, it's fine. Anywho. Okay, pivot. Oh! I almost spun late braking right there. Okay, I'm going through the corner and I come out with some good exit speed. Ah! And that's the end of second practice. No! I think, and now it's qualifying. I think there was one or like 3 practices. I can't remember. Qualifying. I'm thinking. I'll give you an answer. I think yes. So, and let's take a look. Okay, there's the interview with my mama, and so she like, so how was your race? And I'm like, it was good, thank you. I had to put my visor down, and then she's like, oh, that's nice. What do you think about I'm just kidding. And she was like, okay, you'll be doing good, the little champion right here. And then I'd be like, yeah. So I did look miserable right there. My eyebrows were not like. Anyway, I qualified first. Okay, so I'm number 1.
9.
Not bad. I'm really good. I'm not really good, but I just joined this program. So, and there I am. So I'm just waiting for all the other carts to get through. And this is a formation lap. And I'm the leader of the pack. Yeah. So I'm leading the pack all the way through. And my oh my. I usually qualify 2nd or 3rd. I don't know why, but I qualify 2nd or 3rd. So that's the only thing too. Anyway, there I am, starting to speed away as usual. So look at that. So we're just starting with the formation lap, and yeah, just waiting and waiting before the given moment is found. Come on, go. Come on. Rev up the Bugatti, way! Going. Okay, we're switching gears. We've been cranking the gearbox. And I'm gone. Where's the pack at? Like, gone. I was gone.
Is that Mach 7 pushing in?
Look at that. I was confused if there was a crash or something. Yeah, it wasn't even raining. It made no sense. And then I started slowing down. So I was leading the entire pack. And then I started slowing down. And the audience is saying I was scared. Anywho, but so I'm still going at it. And getting there. We're doing good. We're doing well. Okay, so I was battling against I went on the inside, but he went on the outside. And I blocked him, and blocked him, and blocked him. Which was a rule when I learned a little later. So I got a black flag for that, for illegal blocking, that was called. So, and look, wait for it. There is a black flag. Close up, closed flag. It was a closed black flag. So, I was furious, but not furious at the same time. And it looked like I was looking around and there was yellow flags. Going, trying to
I got you, baby. I got
a closed black flag. So there's yellow flags over there. Black flag, which I thought was open.
I'm
So
not
I thought, oh, I'm out of the race. And yeah, I did not do well. I had an error there. So I really need to learn my rules. Anywho, and I tried getting some exit speed trying to follow their path, but it was the last lap of the entire race. So I didn't know what to do at all, like literally at all. So, and those two overtook me too. So I was like, oh, well, I'm getting third at least. And that was a closing to the race. And yep. And I learned it was a rookie mistake. That was the end of the race. Will never happen again. Rookie mistake. Yep. That was on me. And it cost me first place. Sadly. So this is race 2, guys. We're gonna be having a third part of the racing. Race 3 is coming up in about 1 week, in a week's time. So you guys better get ready for the next part. And I was very disappointed that I came third. And yep, it will never happen again. Cost me first place. Rookie mistake from me. Yep. But guys, stick around for race 3, and thank you for watching. I hope you guys like the content that we're posting, and I will see you next week. See ya. Bye bye.